Hey guys, I just got this thing delivered. What could this be? Let's find out. All right, so what we got in the mail is Elgato Facecam Pro Premium 4K webcam. Yes, that is right. It is 4K capabilities in a webcam. Now, that being said, I already have a Elgato Facecam 1080p, 60 frames per second. It works great. I've been using it for months. But I seen this thing was available, and I just had to give it a try. And why not do a side-by-side comparison from this camera to this camera right here? And I'm going to try to upload a 4K video with this. We'll see how it goes, and we'll see the difference in the cameras. And oh, by the way, since it is Elgato, it also will integrate with all the other Elgato products, especially the Stream Deck. So, without further ado, let's open this up and see what we got. All right, so I maneuvered the regular camera that we're, right here to allow us to see opening this up. I don't know, I feel like a little kid right now, honestly. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and open this up nicely, so that in case I need to put it away for whatever reason or get a new camera or whatever, I have a place to put this. So this is a mini scissors, nothing too crazy. Gonna open this up. How is it? Okay, here it is. One side, two sides, and I think that is all the cuts we need there. We gotta open up this right here, like so. Oh my goodness, this is so much easier than the last box I tried opening. What was the last box? I can't remember, but anyways. I think it comes in a box inside of a box, of course. Why wouldn't you have a box inside of a box? Nothing too crazy here. What we got is... Which way is this open? Oh. Just like that. So we got the... Obviously the Elgato little thing. And ooh, this is a lot heavier than... I mean, I hope so. It's basically a Sony camera inside Elgato stuff. You get an instruction little pamphlet thing, which really is just like safety stuff, that kind of thing. Another paper. We'll get into that if we need to. And you have a... which I think is really neat. Although, if you don't have a C input on your computer, you could probably get a regular USB, whatever that type is. I forget what it is. Anyways, that, because this one has two of the C ends. So thankfully, I actually bought an extended or a USB hub that allows me to plug it into there. So there you have the Elgato. You have the plug-in or the the screw thing if you want to have a stand. Or if you want to just set it on the computer, you can do like that. That is a whole lot of interesting there. All right, well, let's get this thing hooked up. Wait. That's the box. Might as well open this up too, huh? Right? Totally. All right. So nice. Oh my goodness. It feels like metal casing here, so that's... low profile, but what in the... Is this thing open up, or is this... I think that's just venting. Wow, that's a lot of venting here. You guys can take a gander. You can kind of see the air flow. And that's the bottom where you put the screw in the thing. But yeah, this is much more sturdy and bigger than I thought it was going to be. So, I'm going to go ahead and get this hooked up, and we're going to start our test. All right, so first, look, this is too many Matzys right here. The second look, well, first, this one right here is the Elgato Pro, and this one right here is the standard. You probably already knew that, but I thought I'd point that out anyways. And I'll probably have words like down here. Anyways. So, ooh, I almost bumped that. First impression, as you can see, very much more clear, like on the facial hair. And if you ever get real close, you can really see the details, which is a little worrisome. And all my imperfections, oh my goodness, way too much. Now the good news is it's not going to be this concentrated whenever we actually stream. Or I stream, or you stream, or we all stream for ice cream. Wait, what? Anyways. So, I tried to match up the settings in... Here, I'll show you guys this. Alright, so if you already have the Elgato Facecam, you already have this downloaded, you can just switch between the two cameras, which is very good, because you'll be able to do whatever you want. Now, that being said, you see there's a few more options here on the Pro, for obvious reasons. Now, I zoomed in at 200% on this thing, and oh my goodness, that is crazy. We'll probably show you that just because, but I don't know why. I'm just going to do it. So, anyways, yeah, just some different things, and I'm looking forward to seeing the different options in the Stream Deck. I'm not going to go into details with them today, but maybe in a future video, I will just do what you can do with the Stream Deck with the Elgato Facecam Pro, which is pretty neat. So anyways, let's go ahead and get one last look at the 4K Pro version with Matzy in it. I don't know why. Oh, what happened here? Why did this one get... Oh, I bumped it probably. Anyways, you get the picture. Here, fit to screen, boom. Wow, that's a lot of fit to screen. So let's just zoom in all the way. That is too close. Look at the detail. Oh my goodness. Wow. Matzy's big. We zoom back out and we see the total zoom of what we can do there. Wow. That's a lot of zoom, and yeah. I'm glad I made this purchase. It is definitely worth the $288. It's like $300 after tax and fees and all that fun stuff. Anyways, so upon further review, get this thing if you're a streamer. Honestly, if you're on budget, don't want to get a $1,000 camera plus the $300 capture card or cam link, whatever you want to call it. Just get this thing, honestly. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed, and happy streaming? No. I'll see you guys later. Get out of here. Bye!